arrest for DUI.
No.
Oh my gosh, this lady's insufferable. It's unbelievable. Here we have two women who've been caught lying to the police. With one of these women, the police find out later she ran over her grandson's foot and she's trying to blame it on him. But first, we have a Chicago official who's struck two vehicles and has now been stopped by the police.
Are you all right? Do you need an ambulance or anything? Okay. Do you need an ambulance or anything? Let's walk to your car because I don't want you to get hit by a car, okay?
Well, I'm a...
Yeah, I see that's your car. Here, ma'am, right over here. Right over here. Right over here. Right over here.
Picking up clues already, failing to follow instructions.
Let's start off with your driver's license and your proof of insurance, okay?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, he wants a driver's license and a proof
Who's this?
of... My attorney.
Your who? Your attorney? All right, you can call him in a little bit.
I love this cop's attitude. Who? Your attorney? I've actually had this happen to me on a call. It's super annoying. They think their attorney can actually come to the scene of where a crime is being investigated and give them counsel in real time, which the police don't have to allow at all.
Yeah,
Let's start off with your driver's license and your
I'll wait for
insurance.
him.
I know, ma'am, but I need to see your driver's license to verify you're okay to be driving. And number two, your insurance, so we can start the paperwork. There's some damage done to your car.
I'll wait for him.
This officer already knows that this isn't just an accident. He's kind of playing it cool because she's already being a little bit difficult, but he knows this investigation is going to be a lot more than just the couple of vehicles she struck while driving.
Ma'am, I tell you that everything's being audio and videotaped, okay?
I'm just saying I'll wait for
I'm
my friend.
requesting your driver's license and your proof of insurance. I'm sure you can provide me with those two things while we're waiting for your attorney to show
I'll
up.
wait for him.
Okay, ma'am. Do you want me to handcuff you and arrest you?
No.
Because right now, at this point, you're refusing to provide me any...
I am.
You are. You realize that, right?
Yes.
You've hit several cars.
Two.
So, yeah, I need to see your driver's license.
Only two. What's the big deal?
Do you have a valid driver's license?
I do.
Okay, great.
And I have insurance.
How about an ID?
I do.
Okay, can I see some of those so I can know
I'll
who
wait
you
for
are?
my attorney.
He's being patient with her about getting the ID, although if you don't give it to the police when demanded when you're stopped for a motor vehicle infraction, you can be arrested, but he needs to collect more evidence because he knows there's a bigger crime than what he's initially looking at here. He can already tell. He can hear her speech. He can see her mannerisms, how she's acting. She's clearly has some alcohol on board, and he wants to get further into that investigation before he possibly places her under arrest.
Okay, I'm trying. I'm just trying to work with
I
you
know.
here. But you're not providing me your driver's license and your insurance.
Nope.
And why are we waiting for your attorney for?
This is my friend.
He's your friend. Okay, but he wasn't here in the car.
Nope.
You want to give him a call so I can talk to him?
Like I said, he's allowing this charade to go on because he wants to collect more evidence for a possibly higher crime.
Your client here was involved in an accident. How far are you?
25 minutes.
Okay, I need to see her driver's license and her proof of insurance. And she's understanding that she doesn't have to provide that to me until you arrive. Can you advise your client?
That is not true. It is by state law. You have to give him your driver's license and your insurance
Great.
information.
That's great
You
advice.
can then start the paperwork. That is exactly what you should do.
That is good
And
advice.
I'll be there in about 25 minutes to give further advice.
And you said this is not your car, right?
No, it's my friend's
Do you happen
car.
do you happen to know if he has insurance?
He does.
Can you go look in the glove compartment for me?
It's a fancy car. I don't
Yeah,
know
I
how to
understand.
open it.
I just need to look at see if he's got insurance.
This is all evidence, fumbling around, not knowing how to open a glove box. This is all evidence building towards a better case than just a traffic infraction or a traffic crash.
Ma'am, we need you to exit. It's not you telling us we're not taking your word for it. You just got involved in an accident. It's like
I did, but my friend's coming. If I go outside, I'm not going to be like so secure. And then my friend's coming.
Secure. Everything is on video and audio recorded.
I know.
Yeah.
So, can you exit?
I can.
Okay, please do.
Being very polite, giving her lots of chances.
Ma'am, we know you're good. We heard you, but you need to step out so we can see if you're good.
I'm fine. I don't have to exit the car.
Yes, you do.
No, I
We're giving
don't.
you a lawful order.
You were involved in an accident.
I
You're gonna
was.
have to, or we're gonna assist you, make you exit.
I'll wait.
So you better off
I'll
just
wait for
exiting.
my attorney.
Oh, that's right. It's early.
I will be fine.
She says she knows you. She said
She
you
does
texted
know
her.
me. She's my friend.
Okay, so exit the vehicle then.
No, I'm not leaving the vehicle.
I have a friend coming, and then this other person's also my friend. So you can see why I can't comply with you.
Ma'am, if you don't exit the vehicle, I'm going to help you to exit. And you don't want that.
You don't want that.
I do.
An elected official.
I actually do.
That's what we were waiting for him to find out that she is a special girl. There's special rules, and she doesn't have to adhere to any of these commands. She's not really subject to the law. That's what she's been waiting to say.
Elected official of what?
Cook County.
Cook County. You elected which office? What's your name?
I'm Sam.
Sam who?
I'm
Okay.
on the video.
Oh,
You are on video.
You are on video.
You are
It
on
has
video,
to be on
ma'am.
video. Yes, ma'am.
So you need
I'll
to.
wait for my attorney.
Okay.
Nope, I'm waiting for my attorney.
And every cop on the scene is now aware that this is going to be high profile and that they're going to have to be extra careful with how they handle her.
Ma'am. Okay, here's the thing. You were involved in an accident, correct? So you're going to have to exit. If you don't exit, then...
Oh my gosh, this lady's insufferable. It's unbelievable. She's going to have her attorney show up and do field sobriety for her.
We're going to make you exit.
The car.
Can you give her a
Try
second?
and exit.
I think you should do
Give her a
that.
second.
That's all you have to do.
That's the attorney.
Get out
He
of
told
the
her you
car.
have to exit.
I think that's
Okay, he told you to exit.
Cops finally got her to exit the vehicle. This woman is Samantha Steele, who is Board of Review Commissioner for Cook County, the county that houses Chicago. As you'll see, Miss Steele will be spending a lot of time in courtrooms over the coming months.
I'm waiting for him.
Yeah, you gotta come out.
You get out of the car.
Exit the car.
Be careful with traffic, man. Stay right here.
Now, tell your attorney, since he's on the phone, are you going to do field sobriety test or no?
No.
Okay.
No,
Are you
wait.
being arrested? You say no. I was waiting for that. I was
There
waiting
you
for
go.
that.
The moment we've all been waiting for.
Because she refused. I asked her to do field sobriety test and she refused.
I'll tell you something though, she's not wrong. Like I was saying earlier, it's all about collecting evidence when you're investigating OUI, and every word that you say, your state of mind, that all can be articulated in a report, building evidence towards your intoxication. So you just need the basics, slurred speech, odor of alcohol, glassy eyes, unsteady on your feet. That's enough. But in the courts, there is a pretty high demand or a pretty high litmus for juries to convict somebody of OUI, because everybody puts themselves in the person's shoes. So unless you have like a battery of field sobriety tests, a breathalyzer, some other things besides just your observations, it's going to be really hard to get a guilty on an OUI. Now, she could definitely get charged and be guilty of hitting the cars, not cooperating. They could have got her for failure to produce her license registration. They could arrest her on that. That's on camera. That probably would have stuck. But at this point, they allowed her to comply with all that. They gave her a bunch of time, and now she's just simply saying no to field sobriety, which in the long run is probably going to be the best thing for her when it comes to that charge.
And she smelled like alcohol. She's been drinking. So you've been recorded all this time. You've been recorded.
Yeah.
All right?
I'll be there in 5 minutes. They just would wait
5 minutes.
until I get there.
You're not going to wait. Let's go. You've been transported.
This attorney should know better. If they could just wait till I get there, you wouldn't even be allowed to be involved. You'd be obstructing. Your attorney can't show up to when you're being offered field sobriety and do them for you or help you make decisions.
You're drinking. She struck a bunch of cars. Okay? She struck a bunch of cars. We're taking you in.
Come on, man. Let's go.
Have a seat,
Let's see the
please.
car.
Can we just like...
No, we're not. We're gonna sit in the car.
That's why you got Uber, you got taxi, you could have done all of that.
Okay, have a seat in the car. Let's go have a seat in the car.
Have a seat.
Have a seat in the car. Let me get on the other side.
Have a seat, miss.
Can you imagine being her watching this once you sobered up? Ugh, so brutal.
You want to do the field? He asked you to do it and you say no.
Okay,
I
let's
don't
have a
know
seat
what
in the car.
you're saying. You guys are supposed to like...
This is tight.
Sobriety test.
Oh, she slipped the cuff.
I sobriety test.
All right, do it. All right, come on. Give me a chance.
Oh, they're giving her a second chance. They've taken the cuffs off. They're going to let her do field sobriety now. I've actually never seen this before, so should be interesting.
How's your head? You have any injuries? Your
I
head is
hit
good?
my head
You hit your head? When?
when I hit the car.
You want an EMS? You want to call an ambulance?
Yes.
You want us to call an ambulance for you?
That would be good.
Okay, we'll call an ambulance.
But I can do the sobriety.
You can do it? You
Yes.
sure? Okay.
No.
So
I want
put
an ambulance.
both feet together like this.
yet?
Yes, I would like a good
Okay.
stimulus.
Put both feet together.
And now we're on unsteady ground also. She wants EMS, but you're still going to do the sobriety tests. It's getting sticky.
What happened today? Just what happened?
I don't know. I was driving.
Okay. Where were you coming from?
My friends. Are you?
5020 North on Ashland.
No, I'm just, yeah.
It's fine.
Where were you drinking?
No.
No?
No.
She is now placed under arrest, which he made very clear. So should probably be Mirandized at this point. You know, it's gone past investigatory. Technically, she's under arrest. She's in custody, not free to leave, been handcuffed and unhandcuffed. Definitely, I probably would go with Miranda at this point.
I just want to see if you're like safe to go home.
I'm
Do
fine
you have to
go
submit like a
home.
few tests for me? Are you willing to do it? It's up to you. I'm not forcing you. It's up to you.
Well, no.
It is what it is. I mean, I smell alcohol, so it is what it is. You're gonna get under arrest for DUI.
No.
What do you mean, no?
No.
No, I'm not allowing that today. I will not be under arrest.
Wait for my attorney.
What do you mean, no?
Talk to my attorney.
No, he could come to the station. She's gonna get under arrest for.
Again, I honestly don't know how this will go because she's been placed under arrest, wants her attorney present, and also has not been Mirandized. So I don't know how the judge will look at this, but it definitely is going to be a problem, I think, when they try to prosecute this case.
Just stand up, ma'am.
No.
I'm gonna put down a report that you're refusing field sobriety test.
Yes.
Okay? So bye. I got enough here.
She said she want to go to the hospital.
You wanna go to the hospital?
No.
What do you mean no? We call an ambulance. We just wasted
You
their
said,
time.
do you want medical attention?
We just wasted their time. You're under arrest.
You're under arrest.
You got a very
One
small
second.
wrist.
You're not going anywhere.
Under arrest.
This, I can't say it enough. This is bizarre. This is just bizarre.
Oh my God, you guys are
Drink it.
so
I mean, it's illegal to drink and drive.
So we're gonna have open alcohol in the car.
You know?
Can I go with you?
Oh, there comes the attorney, saving the day.
She's gonna have
Oh,
to
he
go.
coming right now.
Because she hasn't had.
All right, you're gonna go ahead.
No,
You're
I
gonna
need to see my attorney.
He's
I'm
right
not
there.
moving.
He's right there.
Yeah, no, my attorney.
Sir, she's been placed in custody for driving under the influence of
She
alcohol.
refused field sobriety
She
test.
struck a bunch of
Understand?
vehicles right there.
This attorney is Johnny on the spot. I know he's getting a huge hourly rate for this because coming this quickly when called by a client to the actual scene, he's the clock started as soon as the phone rang.
Vehicles right there. And that's her open bottle of wine in the car. So,
I didn't drink it.
Don't say anything.
yeah, listen to him.
He's been Mirandized?
No,
arrest?
no, we're not Mirandizing her or nothing.
get
She
it.
refused the field, so
I'll
now
get to
we're
that. I
gonna
know how
take
it
her.
works.
She gonna go to an ambulance.
Miss Steele was taken to hospital and formally arrested. The police report states that Miss Steele repeatedly mocked the arresting officer regarding the size of his penis. She was charged with one count
What?
of DUI,
I didn't
and
see
as
that.
part of these charges, her license was suspended for up to 1 year awaiting her court date. However, just 1 month later, Samantha was able to successfully have her license reinstated. After her lawyers found an error in the officer's paperwork, the judge ruled that her license could be reinstated. Finally, Miss Steele will be back in court in March to face her DUI charge.
You hate to see it, you know, a very, very entitled person that holds an office in the city. The arrest was all over the place. It started with one contact officer and then he was out of the scene and then another guy was handling it. She was under arrest. She was taken out of cuffs. She was told she wants to wait till her attorney's there. She was asked incriminating questions. She was offered field sobriety. She wanted an ambulance. She didn't want an ambulance. I mean, just a very, very overly complicated investigation, in my opinion, doing their best. And I'm sure when they heard that she's a city official, they wanted to handle it the right way and appear that they were giving her all the chances afforded to someone being investigated. But overall, sounds like she's been going down this path for a while and it finally caught up with her.
I said, shut the car door, get out of there. I rolled back a tiny bit.
There you go. She just admitted to assault and battery with a deadly weapon.
Yes, ma'am. Did you call us?
I called.
Okay, what happened?
His usual.
What's as usual?
His throwing fits. All of his drink across to me. I mean, his normal throwing fits. I have not filed any charges against him because I'm trying to get him into residential. It's a freaking red flag.
What's the red flag?
If they get charged
Who
with
does?
any assault, him,
Okay.
residential will put a flag on him, and it's harder to get him in. I've been trying over 9 months.
This happens a lot. Cops show up and each party tries to build their case against the other party. So she's kind of insinuating that you should be aware of these problems that I've had with him. And this is just a culmination of him acting out and abusing me. That's kind of, she's trying to build a narrative. Whether it's true or not, we don't know at this point, but that's what she's trying to do.
We're jumping ahead here.
Well, then you asked me what's going on.
I need to know what happened now.
So,
just now. Why are we getting called here?
Oh, because he went ballistic in my car again. You want to come see all the lemonade he threw?
Okay.
And
Yeah.
he had his cross country today, so this morning I got him up. When I got there, he like blew me off, like I didn't even exist, because we've had a lot of problems.
Okay.
I'm 70. I just retired. I'm a critical care nurse. I don't need to do this. I've had you since 2018. I'm trying to help you, and I'm concerned he might do something to himself. That's how bad his self-eval is.
She's really having trouble finding words here. She's not really putting full sentences together.
Do I have to do this? No, but I do it because I love the kid. You're not going to your practices. You keep telling them that I'm telling you have to leave her with her stuff, which is wrong. You're lying to me again. And he got really pissed about that and started mouthing me, calling me a fucking bitch. And I did. I reached over to slap him in the face. And you can't tell me you can't do that.
Wow. I don't know how old this kid is. In most states, you can issue corporal punishment to children, but you know, once they're not children anymore, you can't be slapping them or putting hands on.
So where did you smack them in the car here, or driving, or you were driving around the corner?
You talking, and then he just took the lemonade and threw it. I said, you know what? You need to go back to behavior center.
Did the door hit him? The car hit him?
Maybe the door might have. I don't know.
Did he get knocked over?
No.
Did he fall?
No.
Okay. Were you drinking?
No.
I honestly smell it.
I haven't drank anything.
Nothing all day?
No.
Are you diabetic?
No. And
Okay.
nothing wrong with me.
In past cases, diabetes can kind of smell like somebody's been drinking, so he's trying to clear all that out of the way to confirm that he is smelling alcohol, and I'm sure he is.
Did he take off running?
Oh, he took off over here.
Okay.
You don't like an
Bubble.
attitude coming here and trying to look at me like I've done something? No, I haven't.
Who said
And
you
I'm
did
tired of
something?
it. The attitude.
You're giving me the
I
attitude.
don't have an attitude. I am tired of stuff.
Okay. I'm trying to help you here, ma'am. I'm writing everything down.
I'm the one that's going to be killed someday.
So you're worried about being killed?
Oh, God, they all know that I'm worried about something happening to me. Even the police officers know.
All right. Wait here. I'll be right back.
The officer spoke with the woman's grandson. He said they were arguing when his grandmother hit him. In response, he threw lemonade on her and got out of the car. That's when she allegedly backed up, hit him with the passenger door, and ran over his foot before going to a neighbor's for help.
So now the story's changed a little bit. Obviously, she was glossing over that part, like, maybe that could have happened. Who knows? You know, these kids. Well, it seems like the grandson's got a little different story here.
His story only deepened the officer's suspicion that she might be under the influence.
Tell me about how the thing unfolded again. So you're in the car.
Threw the lemonade.
Okay.
And then he gets out of the car to get his stuff. And my car, I rolled back a little bit. And he goes, oh, you.
Why were you backing up?
I didn't want him to get into the back of the car and get the stuff out of it.
So she slaps him. He retaliates with the lemonade. Her retaliation for his retaliation is backing the car up when he's trying to get into the back.
So why did you back up the car? So
You know what?
you knew he would have the door open and you backed up the car.
Right.
I went a tiny bit to get him out of the back seat.
Does that make
ran
any
him
sense?
over a little
No, but
bit.
does he make sense in all the shit I go through? Okay, I'm done. I want to file a charge against him.
I'm not filing charges against
Okay,
him.
then I'm just going to call the police, and I will talk with them. I'll go down there.
Well, we're not done with you now.
What do you need with me?
I need to find out more of what happened.
I told you everything that happened, and why do I have to repeat it?
Because
2
your
or 3
stories
times?
are changing.
No, they're not.
You admitted to backing
You know
up
what?
into him.
I didn't back up into him. He had the back seat of the car open. I said, shut the car door, get out of there, and he wouldn't. I rolled back a tiny bit.
There you go. So she just admitted to assault and battery with a deadly weapon. The door is open. She knows it's open. She backs up to hit him with the door.
The door was open and you start backing up.
I rolled it a tiny
And then you
bit.
ran over his foot.
I did not run over his foot.
He has marks on his foot.
Let me see the foot.
I have
I wanna
pictures right here.
Okay, let me see.
Let's go back over here.
Yeah, let's go over here. I want to see.
There is the scrape on his foot.
That's from track.
And
his shoes.
Well.
Those are from his new shoes he wore.
And then he has blood on his sock from it.
Those are from his new shoes that he just
and his
wore.
shoe is.
Everybody knows when you have new track shoes, your feet are going to squirt blood. Come on. What are you, an idiot?
Ma'am, how much did you have to drink today?
I haven't.
Not a drop.
No.
So if I bring a PBT here, you'll have nothing in your system.
And I'm not doing shit with you guys. I'm done.
I asked you if I bring it.
I'm done. He got out of the car. He went back here. I said, get out of the car. And he said, no. You. I wasn't even going to go there. And I started to roll back. So I could very well not have hit his foot unless I went back all this way. So that's bullshit.
Does it make sense to back up with somebody
He just
in the
pissed me
door?
off.
Okay.
I didn't hurt him.
There you go. She's admitting it. He just pissed me off. That's why I did it. So if you're willing to go that far, if you're willing to move the car when somebody's trying to get into it, it would just naturally, reason would say you also probably might take that too far. You might actually run over his foot.
He was being an asshole. I got pissed off. If somebody throws shit at you,
All right. I'm going to ask you again because you're slurring a ton.
I'm not slurring.
I'm going to bring a PBT here, and I'm going to see
PBT
because
Nope.
you have been drinking.
No, I have not, and I'm not doing your PPTs. You are not doing this to me.
Doing what to you?
Telling me I have to take blood alcohol? Are you kidding?
Blowing a machine. Tell me that you got nothing in your system.
I owe you nothing.
This has really gone the opposite way, she thought. I think she imagined the police would show up and they would immediately take her side and then force the grandson to correct his behavior or arrest him maybe. She didn't expect that they would actually do a full investigation, taking both parties' stories into account and then making a decision. So she feels it going the wrong way, and you can feel her push back on that.
If you have nothing in your system.
What I've done?
No, I don't, because I smell it on you.
You don't smell anything.
I absolutely do.
You don't smell nothing.
Are you on your way out here? In his face. Ma'am, where are you going? Boy, she is just completely non-compliant. Just pulling right in the garage.
He's
Put her
bold.
in custody. All right.
In my garage.
Come on here.
In my garage. What of it?
I'm not coming.
Come out here.
I don't have to. You touch
Ma'am?
me.
Listen to me now. Now I'm trying to talk to you and you're acting
boy.
like this.
Are you
Quit running away from me when I'm trying to do an investigation.
Anything. How dare you touch me?
Quit.
No.
Stay here while I'm doing this. It's all recorded.
No, I don't care.
Don't run
You
away
don't
from
get
me
to blow
again.
on me. I haven't done one thing.
I haven't done one thing except slap him across the face and run him over. Is that illegal?
I smell alcohol on you.
I don't care what you
And I
think.
can't confirm this.
You know what? You touch me again. That's
Ma'am,
no.
your job
you are
right
on
now,
my property. Get out. Of my
you're not
house.
going any further.
I'm going to my house to go
You're
to the
staying out
bathroom.
here.
No, I'm not.
you're staying here.
How can you tell me I have to stay here?
Because you're in the
You're-
middle of an investigation.
I'm not.
Off camera, Judy agreed to a field sobriety test, which officers report she failed, leading to this moment.
Judy.
Stay on your back. You're under arrest. I'm telling you, and I'm telling you,
Under arrest?
She knows
Yes.
at this point.
you're under arrest. Put your hands behind your back.
Make it any worse.
Regardless of the situation, it doesn't feel good to handcuff a grandma. I can tell you that.
Put your hands part of the arm.
One step at a time.
For obstructing me in my investigation, first and foremost. All right. For domestic battery.
Wait.
I'm telling you, you don't have to agree. I'm telling you.
What's domestic battery?
All right, we're going to go to the...
Back at the station, Judy attempted 6 breath tests, but officers noted she was sucking instead of blowing.
Super common. See that all the time with breathalyzers. I understand the instructions, but they don't want to give the sample because they know you're going to get evidence. So they'll suck or they'll blow really lightly. That's pretty normal.
She was charged with 2 counts of domestic battery, a DUI charge, and resisting or obstructing an officer.
Well, guys, who needs enemies when you have a grandma like that? My goodness. There you have it, guys. 2 ladies, 2 OUIs, thought they could lie their way out of it, but it didn't work out because you know why? It never does. So they got caught. Do you think the cops were appropriate here? Leave a comment below. Let us know what you think. If you like police war stories, check out the Things Police See podcast, available anywhere you get podcasts, also on YouTube. Thank you guys. Subscribe and like, and I'll see you next time.